Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/theramenraider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hi, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Malaysia. This is a package from MyKuali. They've been on the top 10 list many times over the years. I had no idea they were sending a package, so let's crack this open and see what's inside. Alright, well, first off, I've got a letter, so let's see what it has to say. Hi Hans, yes we know, there's nothing new here, just some tweaks to improve the taste and be in the running for the top 10 2020 list. But wait for our next consignment, you'll love our new fish broth noodles in bundles, cup and bowl vermicelli for bowls, and our new improved King Som flavor, always saving the best for last. We're just sending these first so you can have some recess time between MyKuali's Noodle Blast. Have a pleasant tasting session. Yours sincerely, MyKuali. Okay, cool. Well, I always like to do re-reviews, especially when there's stuff with a little bit of a tweak to a recipe. So let's see what we have. First off, one of my favorite flavors on the market, period, is Hokkien prawn, and there's a couple brands out of Malaysia, this being one of them, that just do it absolute justice. Sweet, savory, prawn-tastic. Yeah, this stuff is really good. This one's a rice vermicelli. And another rice vermicelli, this one being their Penang white curry. This company was the origin of white curry a few years ago. I want to say that was 2013. And as for pack versions, this is their Penang spicy prawn noodle, also one that used to be called Penang Hokkien prawn. Yeah, just sweet prawn flavor, really good. Now here's one that I didn't like at first when I first tried it, but nowadays I'm really into, and I think I might actually just make this one up today because, I don't know, it sounds good. This is MyKuali's spicy fried noodle. This is their mee goreng basically, and it's quite good. Some of the flavors when I first tried it were kind of strong. I didn't know about the shrimp, but now I'm like on board with it. So it's really good. It's funny how flavors work with me, but this one's good. And finally, the flavor that put MyKuali on the map. When I first reviewed this thing, it made the top 10 spicy list. The top 10 all-time list had already come out that year, and when this hit, I think it was number 7 originally, yeah, on the top 10 spicy list, I think for 2013. When it first hit there, it went viral in Malaysia, which was pretty cool, and yeah, it was a pretty big sensation over there, with good reason. This stuff is amazing. This is, if you think curry, you might think Japanese curry or Indian curry. This is something altogether different. This is nonya, so you definitely got to try it. And if you're looking at one of these packs, you'll notice right there, see? Yeah, you can, if you get a pack of these, and on the individual packs, you'll see my logo on there. It's definitely worthy of having the award for the top 10 list. This has been number 1 before, so yeah, worth checking out. Well, thank you very much to MyKuali. You know, you can find these basically everywhere. You can get them at 99 Ranch Market. If you have an Asian grocery near you, chances are they'll have some of these varieties, if not all of these products, to get easily. So you don't have to like go spend money online to get them. You can get them locally if you're lucky. And these are some of the best things I've ever tried. Over 3,000 reviews I've done. Can't recommend this stuff more. So thank you very much for sending them. and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you the enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.